Ever looked up at the moon and wondered, what's up there? Is there really a man on the moon? And most importantly, how do we get there? Space exploration. It's been captivating humanity for centuries. From ancient astronomers gazing at the stars to modern-day rocket launches, we've always been driven to reach for the cosmos. But getting to space isn't easy. It requires cutting-edge technology, immense engineering feats, and a whole lot of innovation. That's where Lunar Company comes in. We're a pioneering aerospace company dedicated to making space exploration more accessible, more affordable, and more sustainable. We do this by developing advanced lunar landers. These are the vehicles that will transport crucial payloads, scientific instruments, robotic explorers, and potentially even human missions to the lunar surface. Building robust space infrastructure, think of it as the foundation for future lunar settlements. We're developing essential technologies like power systems, communication networks, and habitats that will allow humans to live and work on the moon long term. Partnering with leading institutions, we collaborate with universities, research organizations, and other space companies to push the boundaries of space exploration and drive innovation across the industry. Highlight key achievements optional. Successfully landed a lunar lander on the moon. If applicable, mention a specific successful mission. This landmark achievement demonstrated our technological prowess and solidified our position as a leader in lunar exploration. Developing innovative propulsion systems. If applicable, mention specific advancements. These cutting-edge technologies are crucial for reducing mission costs and increasing the efficiency of space travel. Emphasize company values optional. At Lunar Company, we believe in a future where space exploration is accessible to all. We strive for sustainability, minimizing our environmental impact and developing technologies that are both effective and environmentally responsible. Innovation, continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration through groundbreaking research and development. Collaboration, fostering partnerships and open communication to accelerate progress and achieve shared goals. The journey to the moon and beyond is just beginning. Join us as we explore the cosmos, unlock the mysteries of the universe, and build a future where humanity thrives beyond Earth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.